option strategies can supercharge your trading journey. Smart traders are continuously searching for approaches that will offer them a competitive advantage in the thrilling arena of trading, where possibilities and challenges run alongside one another. Trading with the use of option strategies is one such successful technique that has been attaining popularity. These strategies provide a special set of benefits that enable market participants to manage market swings and volatility, maximize earnings, and find untapped possibilities. In this piece, we will investigate why option strategies may be a game changer for market participants and dig deeper into the fascinating realm of option strategies. In contrast to conventional trading methods, option strategies perform well in a wide range of market situations. Trading strategies including covered calls, protected puts, straddles, etc., allow investors to reap rewards through price increases or decreases as well as from long-term market trends. This flexibility opens up opportunities for possible earnings by enabling traders to continue active in the stock market irrespective of its trajectory. Option strategies thrive amazingly well in the area of risk management, which is a major goal for any market participants. Traders can safeguard their holdings and reduce possible losses by using options as insurance. Using strategies like protective puts, traders can freeze in a maximum loss while still reaping the rewards of prospective gains, creating an extra layer of security. In spite of the market's instability, professionals may trade with confidence due to this predetermined risk technique, giving them a peace of mind. Compared to conventional trading techniques, option strategies give market participants the chance to increase their profits. Traders may take benefit from options leveraging and low risk by using strategies like vertical spreads, iron condors, and butterfly spreads. If the markets match their projections, these strategies enable traders to manage a bigger position with fewer funds and possibly achieve significant gains. Option strategies provide market participants the possibility to make money from sources apart from merely the trajectory of the asset in question. Options pricing is heavily influenced by volatility, and trading strategies like straddles and straddles enable investors to profit from increases or decreases in volatility irrespective of the direction of the assets. This larger range of chances enables market participants to capitalize on distinctive potential gains that conventional trading techniques could miss. In conclusion, market participants have a wide range of alternatives thanks to option strategies. Option strategies provide them the authority to determine their trading path thanks to their elasticity, risk management possibilities, increased potential for profit, managing portfolio and prospects past bi-directional trading. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that option trading based on strategies calls for thorough research, a firm grasp of economic dynamics, and expertise in handling risks, and do consult your financial advisor before making any trading decisions.